How do you claim the best Proton Mail coupon code? Simple. Use the link below and I'll tell you all you need to know about Proton Mail deals. The process actually couldn't be simpler. Just click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on screen and the discount will be applied automatically. There's no need to manually enter a coupon or search for promotional codes online. Most of these sites simply waste your time with old promos. Open the link, choose the plan that fits your needs, and the discount will already be waiting for you. Now, if that was all you needed, see you next time. But for those who want to know a little bit more, let me explain why so many people consider Proton Mail one of the best secure email providers. Proton Mail was built from the ground up with privacy as its main focus. Unlike many mainstream email services, your emails are protected with end-to-end encryption, helping you keep your conversations truly private and secure. Proton also uses a zero-access architecture, which means that even Proton itself cannot read the contents of your emails. Another reason Proton Mail stands out is its transparency. The apps are open source, allowing independent experts and the community to inspect the code. But inspecting the code isn't all you can do. You can also make modifications or custom versions to fit your own needs. And for users looking for a secure email service or one they can be a part of, that's a major advantage over traditional providers. One thing I personally like is just how easy Proton Mail is to use. If you've ever used Gmail or other popular email platforms, you'll feel right at home. The interface is clean, modern, and very straightforward, especially compared to some old school providers. Even better, Proton provides tools that makes moving from Gmail incredibly simple. You can transfer your emails, contacts, folders, labels, and other settings without having to start from scratch. Now, if you're interested in getting even more value, the discount available through the link in the description can also be applied to Proton Unlimited. This bundle is what I personally use since it includes Proton Mail, Proton VPN for private internet browsing, Proton Pass for managing passwords, and Proton Drive for end-to-end encrypted cloud storage. Everything is managed through a single Proton account, making it a convenient, privacy-focused ecosystem to truly rival Google. Overall, if you're in search of the best private email solution that prioritizes security, privacy, and ease of use, Proton Mail is definitely worth considering. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to use the Proton Mail coupon code link available in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. And if you want a full Proton Mail review, do let me know. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.